Hello, my name is Samuel Monson. I am an 8th grade student at Valley Academy of Learning in Wenatchee, Washington. I love dogs and technology, but mostly dogs. However, this presentation is not about my love for dogs. It is about my love for technology and innovation. In this presentation, I will attempt to help you to understand what a makerspace is and why it could be an important addition to our community. A few years ago, I was introduced to a magazine called Make. This magazine is full of projects for hobbyists and makers. Throughout this magazine, I learned a lot about maker fairs and maker spaces. These events and facilities are a growing movement throughout the world. I began to think, could my community be part of this movement? What is a makerspace? A makerspace is a community-based dream workspace for anyone and everyone who likes to create things. Imagine a space where an innovator could come, design a product, and print out a prototype. A technician could come, solder a board together, test it, and send it off somewhere to be used or mass-produced. A group of people could get together, create robots, computer software, 3D printed items, computer hardware, household items, and parts. A kid could come and change the world. Who will come? Students, technicians, tourists, everyday people, hobbyists, architects, makers, kids, programmers, engineers, graphic designers, gamers, and video producers. The list gets bigger every day. Where will it be? Makerspaces are generally located in highly used public spaces. Examples in our city are Pybus Public Market, Wenatchee Northwest Public Library, Wenatchee Valley Community Center, and Wenatchee Valley Museum and Cultural Center. Other factors when considering a location are a location where kids and adults could walk to or take public transportation, a facility with enough space, electrical and internet access, and sufficient security. What does a makerspace look like? A makerspace would have 3D printers, CNC cutters, soldering stations, Macs with parallel windows, fast Wi-Fi, tech support centers for people who want to learn more. A makerspace could also have a woodworking station, computer parts vendor, robotic station, and laser engraving. How much would a makerspace cost? This table is an example of a budget for two different sized makerspaces. In row 2, we have a budget for a basic makerspace. In row 3, we have a budget for a slightly larger makerspace. I realize that these numbers seem high. However, with the fundraising, donations, volunteers, and other innovative solutions, many of these costs could be reduced.